Hello, today we're going to demonstrate how to set a pressure profile if unable to run it for a length of time to use the main pressure graph. Insert the handle with the test basket and we run our stage for 20 seconds, measuring the output volume. This test is indicating a 6 bar pressure. At 20 seconds we switch it off. We have 27.7 grams in 20 seconds. Referring to our instructions, we look across, 6 bar, 27.5 mils. This is indicating stage 2 pressure is set to 6 bar. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you to understand how to use the test basket. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Bye.